Okay, good morning, lads. Today, lads, we're going to take a complete look at surface development. This, as I mentioned last week, is for a question that we are going to go on to. It'll be a fifth and a very handy question in the junior cert. It's been a handy question for the past 3 or 4 years, so I expect it to be the same this year. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to draw a series of shapes. Now, you won't be drawing them all on one sheet like this. You'll have one sheet for that, that, and that. So we're going to start out with a cone, then we're going to have a truncated cone or a cut cone, a cylinder, then a cut cylinder, then we're going to have a square base pyramid, a cut square base pyramid, and a cube. And indeed, we probably could even start with the cube. But there's only a few little things I want to point out today before we begin, and that's just, in each case here, certainly in the circular shapes, we're going to need to divide them into 12. So I'm going to come along here now, and we just get our 30-60 degree set square like this, and like this. Now, these should be construction lines, but I've had to draw them a little bit heavier so that you can see them on that. So using your 36 degree set square like that, and finally like this, we'll have divided up into 30-60. The next thing that's very, very important for us to do, lads, is to numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I'll bring those up to the elevation then. I'll have to modify things a little bit here. 5 and 7 are there. 4 and 8 are there. Again, construction lines, lads, keep them light. 1 and 11. And these then will be brought to the apex. Now, once I have that done, I'm ready to draw my drawing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually send you a series of videos. One of them I'm going to have generated from a computer. The other is a friend of mine who's going to teach who's taught all these, and he's put it already up on the site this morning. So there's no point in me doing it as well. So I'm going to just send you a link to his one, and you'll find that he's a lovely way about him as well. And you'll enjoy working with him. So here is that one. In this case, I've just come up halfway. Now, the dimensions of our cone are 80 high and 40 diameter. In this case here, I'll bring the points up again, like this. And this, all we're doing is doing preparation for this. And these will go up to the apex. However, they'll stop here, and that'll be it. They'll all go towards the apex, but they'll stop like that, and I'll bring them up, and I can index them here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, over here, it's not as important because it's easy to develop it. 4 and 8, 7 and 5, there's 6. It is really important here. The 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, if you've done it right, 4 and 8 will be opposite each other. And let's just call that point P there, like that. Finally, for our ordinary cylinder, we have it like this. Again, using our 36 degree set squares. We've done this, lads, for our ellipses, and I'm going to be sending you a little ellipse exercise next week, a little competition I'm going to have to design an Easter egg, and I'll send you all that. But let's not get off the topic for the time being. And we have these again here matching up. Okay, again, it's 80 high, and we'll go 40 diameter again, or even make it 50. Actually, might just go 40. Doesn't matter, 40 or 50. Whatever you want to do. I've made this one 50, so maybe you want to keep that, but I've said 40, so you can go 40 or 50, whatever you want to do. Now, no more than before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You have that. I'm going to actually put these in here like this. Now, I would like, lads, at this point, to get some little bit of feedback from you. I haven't had much so far, so I'd like some feedback from you on this. So I'm going to make contact with you all individually to find out where and when you're going to give me contact. We've had a bit of time off now. You have time to do some work. You can do this as you please. And as always, Tech Graphics is always a nice break from everything else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And that's our cut cylinder. Again, 80 high and 40 or 50 wide. I've come up halfway here, so up 40 to cut that. Square base pyramid, we can go with the same thing, 80 high and 40 wide. A cut square pyramid, 80 high, and come up halfway, come up 40 and draw a 30-degree line like that. And a cube is a cube. I'll just draw a quick freehand of a cube here. A cube is a cube. Now, there are 11 different ways of developing a cube, so I'm just going to, we'll just do 1 or 2, but it often comes up in the short questions. So, lads, I'd like you to draw out all of these. The cone, the cut cone, the cylinder, the cut cylinder, the square base pyramid, height 80, width 40, the cut square base pyramid, cut at 40, and the cube. And I'm going to send you the videos on how to do the developments of these. And then we're going to take a look at the exam questions. So looking forward to a bit of feedback, lads, and I'll talk to you soon. And take care of each other, wash your hands, and be good to everybody at home.